Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox YouTube videos on iPhone. First, let's get your setup ready. Make sure your iPhone has plenty of storage, ideally 10 gigabytes or more, for all your recordings and edits. You'll need the Roblox app, of course, and a good screen recorder. Consider using an external microphone for crisp audio, but your iPhone's built-in mic can work well too if you're in a quiet space. We'll cover everything you need to start creating awesome content. Now that you're set up, let's record some amazing gameplay. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the control center and tap the screen record button. Then, open Roblox and dive into your game. Remember to speak clearly and with energy, providing fun commentary as you play. Aim for at least 5 to 10 minutes of recording to give yourself plenty of material to work with during editing. Capture those epic wins and funny fails. Once you have your raw footage, it's time to make it shine. Transfer your recordings into a mobile editing app like iMovie or CapCut. Here, you can trim out any dull moments, add some upbeat background music, and include text overlays to highlight key information. Don't forget to experiment with sound effects and smooth transitions to keep your viewers hooked. When you're done, export your masterpiece in high definition, like 1080 pixels, for a professional look. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon, and upload your finished video. Craft a catchy title and a detailed description using keywords that people might search for. A great custom thumbnail is crucial. It's your video's first impression, so make it pop. Add relevant tags and consider organizing your videos into playlists. These steps will help more people discover and enjoy your awesome Roblox content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.